Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 35, Unit Edge Reasoning, Matching Pairs from the book GK 5. We have knowledge enrichment. Now the objective. A good way to figure out the relationship in a given question is to make up a sentence to find out which of the answer choices completes the same relationship with the third word. तो एक अच्छा तरीका यही होता है फिगर आउट करने के लिए रिलेशनशिप का किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कि हम उसे सेंटेंस में चेंज कर लें और फाइंड आउट करें कि क्या आंसर चॉइसेस में से हो सकता है जो कि सेम रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड कर रहा है थर्ड वर्ड के साथ. सो for example, we have example number 1. Odometer is to mileage as compass is to dash. We have options A speed, B hiking, C needle, D direction. तो जो ओडोमीटर होता है वो माइलेज के लिए होता है, तो हमें कंपास के बारे में पूछा है. We have the answer D. Compass is for direction. Now we have the explanation for it. An odometer is an instrument used to measure mileage. A compass is an instrument used to determine direction. Choices A, B and C are incorrect because none is an इंस्ट्रूमेंट. जो ऑडोमीटर होता है वो एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जो कि माइलेज को मेजर करता है. ऐसी कंपास एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जो कि डायरेक्शन को मेजर करता है. बाकी जो ऑप्शन देते ए बी सी वो कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है, तो इसलिए वो ऑप्शंस इनकरेक्ट हो जाते हैं. नाउ वी हैव थिंक एंड आंसर. वेयर डज द बियर लिव? So the bear lives in a forest. Now we have next question. What is your biggest dream? So if I talk about my biggest dream, one of my biggest dream is to travel the world as much as I can travel. This is my biggest dream. You can tell me about yours. Then we have the example 2. Marathon is to race as hibernation is to dash. We have some options. A winter, B beer, C dream, D sleep. Answer is D, that is sleep. तो जो मैराथन होती है वो रेस के लिए होती है, ऐसे हमें हाइबरनेशन के लिए पूछा था. वी हैव गिवन द आंसर डी, दैट इज स्लीप. Now we have the explanation. A marathon is a long race and hibernation is a lengthy period of sleep. The answer is not choice A or B because even though a bear and winter are related to hibernation, neither completes the analogy. Choice C is incorrect because sleep and dream are not synonymous. तो जो मैराथन होती है वो एक लॉन्ग रेस होती है, हाइबरनेशन एक लेंदी पीरियड होता है स्लीप के लिए. अब जो आंसर चॉइस ए है, बी है, वो इनकरेक्ट है क्योंकि बियर और विंटर रिलेटेड तो है हाइबरनेशन पे, बट वो करेक्ट थिंग नहीं है, एनालॉगी को पूरा नहीं कर रहा वो. एंड जो चॉइस सी है वो भी इनकरेक्ट है क्योंकि जो स्लीप और ड्रीम होते हैं वो सिनोनिमस होते हैं. Then we have teacher's note. Assist to the students to complete the given exercise. Also motivate them to understand the relation between different objects. Then we have objective skill. We have time to do. Tick the correct answer. First, window is to pane as book is to dash. जो window है that has panes in it. Now we have to tell book has what in it. We have different options. A novel, B glass, C cover, D page. The correct answer is page. When books has pages in it, right? Then we have question 2. Cup is to coffee as bowl is to dash. तो कप के अंदर हम कॉफी पुट करते हैं, तो बाउल के अंदर हम क्या पुट करते हैं. वी हैव सम ऑप्शंस. A dish, B soup, C spoon, D food. The correct answer is soup. Then we have the third. Yard is to inch as quart is to dash. तो जो यार्ड होता है वो इंच को मेजर करता है, क्वार्ट का हमें बताना है कि क्या होता है. We have some options. A gallon, B ounce, C milk, D liquid. The correct answer is ounce. Then we have fourth, elated is to despondent, as enlightened is to dash. So now we have some options. A, aware, B, ignorant, C, miserable, D, tolerant. The correct answer is ignorant. Then we have fifth, optimist is to cheerful, as pessimist is to dash. जो optimist होता है उसका meaning cheerful होता है, pessimist का meaning we have to tell. We have some options. A, gloomy, B, mean, C, petty, D, helpful. The correct answer is gloomy. Then we have sixth, reptile is to lizard, as flower is to dash. तो reptile का एक example lizard है, flower का एक example बताना है. We have some options. A, petal, B, stem, C, daisy, D, alligator. The correct answer is daisy. Then seventh, play is to actor, as concert is to dash. तो जो प्ले होता है वो एक्टर्स के लिए होता है, कॉन्सर्ट किसके लिए होता है? वी हैव सम ऑप्शंस. ए, सिम्फनी, बी, म्यूजिशियन, सी, पियानो, डी, percussion. The correct answer is musician. Then 8, sponge is to porous, as rubber is to dash. जो sponge होता है वो porous होता है, rubber क्या होता है? We have some options. A, massive, B, solid, C, elastic, D, inflexible. The correct answer is solid. Then 9th, pride is to lion, as shoal is to dash. जो pride होता है वो lion के लिए होता है, shoal किसके लिए होता है? Means pride is a group of lions. Group में होंगे lions तो उसे pride कहते हैं. तो shoal किसको कहते हैं? We have options. A, teacher, B, student, C, self-respect, D, fish. The correct answer is fish. Then 10th, artist is to painting, as senator is to dash. जो artist है वो paint करता है, तो ऐसे senator क्या करता है? We have some options. A, attorney, B, law, C, politician, D, constituents. The correct answer is law. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.